What up, people? It's another day in the BRAH Club. Alright, so today we're gonna learn how to ride a motorcycle because we have them in the garage, but I don't know how to ride it. I only ride this moped. Look at these people. Yes, sir.
Hi, BRAH Club. It's Tina back at it again with the recording. I know you missed me. You're tired of all the men. Oh God! Imagine he runs into your minivan. Like that. Hi you guys, I just got LASIK done. I can see now. Another update is, yeah, that's about it. Got nothing much going on with my life. Oh God, this first car encounter. I don't know how to act, I'm stressing.
Not bad.
Not bad, meaning?
It feels good. It's balanced. It's not too heavy. It feels good. It's definitely a beginner's bike. I think Anthony will like it for the first day.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If anyone wants to gift a motorcycle, that'd be nice to add to our collection. Who am I kidding? I'm not ever riding one by myself. Look at my shoes. They're really cute. I just washed them. You guys, we're trying to figure out what to do. There's not much to do in Spokane right now because it's kind of gloomy. It's Good Friday. No. Is this the Nammy? Guys are gonna be reunited with Nammykins. Oh my God, is that Nammy?
Yo.
What's up, Nammy? I think I'm ready. Just kidding, actually.
Ready for what?
Nothing. Should I vlog and get on?
That'll be tough. You need to hold on to me. I've never driven with somebody else either.
Oh my God, then I'm not getting on.
Pretty good. It's practice.
Will you go super slow? Is it like a lot harder driving with two people?
It's a little different.
Different.
I've never done it.
I like that word choice, y'all.
I've never done it.
Fine, I'll get on. I need a helmet. Safety first. Hey, you guys, if you don't see me back in the BRAH Club vlogs, I'm dead. Okay, I'm gonna get on with Joey, but I need a helmet.
Yes, ma'am. Nammy, bold man with the shorts. He's supposed to learn today too.
Ready to die, guys?
I just said that on the vlog.
That's why we're cousins.
I'm gonna hold on to you for dear life, Joey.
A real biker. Look at her. Look at her.
Like all black.
All black.
Her
all
leggings
blue.
are probably not the best. Joey's pants. So where do my feet go?
Right there. These are your pedals. They're your pegs.
Is this gonna burn my leg?
No, this is a shop. This is what burns
This
your
will
leg.
burn my leg, right?
Yeah, don't touch that.
You know, this tire right here, this will rubber.
Yeah, this will
burn
rubber burn you.
Okay, so Joey doesn't know how to ride two people. Are you brave enough? You go on.
Tina, it's so easy.
Are you okay, Tina?
Joey's like,
Try not to sabotage.
Look at them. Look at them go. Room. Wow.
there they go again. Oh my God, Tina, you're alive. How was
I'm
it?
vlogging it now. Give me the camera.
Well,
Fine.
yeah.
Sorry, BRAH Club, you can't come with me. First person view. Can we do 3 people? No.
3?
There's no way.
Yeah, where's the third person even gonna sit?
Third person?
Gun for Jen. No. Since we have some silence, Baird, okay.
Nice and slow. Easy does it.
I like that. Psychopath. That seat is probably so sweaty from my butt sweat, my nervous sweat.
Well, he's not sitting on yours. Oh, that's the back one.
Ooh,
So he needed more gas there.
It was a little jerky.
Yeah. He just
Oh,
shifted
oh
in
my
the
God,
side.
and of
There's
course there's a car.
There's like a bunch of people and cars coming.
Then he downshifted.
Literally the worst
Oh,
situation.
he's gonna keep going straight.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, a little speedster.
Is it hard to like turn around like in a circle?
That's what I mean. That's why it's the hardest part to turn around during a circle. What are you doing, Tina?
Give me the shot.
Yeah,
the whole
it is.
view.
I think that's where Sabrina was saying you might dump it. Yeah, is when you're turning in a circle.
He's kind of going fast. Oh no! Whoa, BRAH Club, he's a little too wild. He's taking these turns kind of fast.
Finding neutral is a little tough, but it's there.
I am confused.
you're a bike rider, huh?
I am.
Tell us, why
Trying
do
to
you
be
like
an
riding your
inspiration
motorcycle?
to all the girls out there.
No.
Girls can be awesome too.
wait, I
Oh my
lost
God.
count.
For all, yeah. I want to be a role model for all the girls. You can
You
go
look
out
good though.
there.
You look confident.
You want
That's the
it,
most
you dream it, be
important part.
passionate, do it.
Oh my God.
So inspirational.
Preach. Some females in the BRAH club, finally.
I have been inspired.
Now he's gonna go ride a
Maybe
motorcycle.
I'll risk my life a little bit more now.
Good. Yeah, you look confident. That's the most important part. Hopefully not too confident, you know, but confident.
Yeah. You kind of zoomed by, took some turns a little.
Yeah.
I was limit testing, right?
Oh,
I forgot
wow,
about the
okay.
brakes when I was like turning.
What do you have?
Oh God.
I was going into the turn. I was like, wait, I should slow down. I was like, brakes. That's the thing. This looks like Johnny's bullying Zach at this point. I don't know what to do. What is happening? Right. He's blind. His eyes are closed.
I changed levels.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
You should have heard it coming, bro.
Should I change levels too?
Hey,
Seeing like tape now.
fight, 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 fight. You guys aren't even fighting each other? Whoa.
That's the big question. That was no little kiss. That was a big kiss. And got them into this championship game. Let's go over to Tracy.
Why does this guy always gotta film everything?
The next day.
Yeah, we are here at the park, and Tina's here too. She's parked right next to me. But, ow, I just hit myself in the face with my backpack. Yo. Look at this struggle. JK. Wait, let me see your look at
And
this.
look, birds shit all over my car too.
Tina's just having a struggle. Guys, look how productive we look. Just look. We actually haven't started doing any work. I actually haven't done any work. And I'm probably just gonna end up like watching a movie or something, you know? It just transitions from editing and actual work to like movies and YouTube. It's a good thing there's no internet service for my laptop out here. Otherwise, I'd already be on it. Y'all, I think I'm done with editing. I'm kind of bored. Alright, well that was a great, like, what are we, out here for like an hour? I mean, I got some stuff done. Like 4 minutes. 4 minutes of a video. It's pretty good.
You know, I can't save this. I don't think.
So, are we hungry?
I'm so hungry, but I can't taste.
So.
Oh my gosh, why do I have to have COVID? Not bad. Not bad.
Yo, what is this button?
What button?
This button.
Are you serious?
I just found a new button on my camera. Alright, let's see what it does. Nothing. At least not that I...
Like, yeah, that you can tell.
Alright, not that I can tell. It's probably just messing up my camera hella. Alright, let's go get some food.
Where?
I don't know. Figure it out.
I have to eat something super spicy so I can taste flavor.
Alright, something super spicy.
Just kidding,
Got
too
it.
spicy.